turning attention now to what is turning out to be a runaway success in 2025. And we're talking about debut film with no over-the-top promotions, fresh faces at the helm, and a love story that's clearly struck a chord. Saiyaara has taken the box office by storm, directed by Mohit Suri. The romantic drama has delivered one of the biggest surprises of 2025, and Bollywood is still trying to make sense of just how big this wave is. This report has more for you.
With a massive 36 crore Sunday, Saiyaara wrapped up its debut weekend at 84 crore net India. That's not just a win, it's a signal that the audience is ready for fresh storytelling and fresh faces.
आर्टिस्ट का टैलेंट रिव्यू करने का काम है तुम लोग का। ये साले ब्यूटी वाले स्लैब्स हगेंगे भी तो तुम लोग बोलेंगे वाह क्या हगा है। लेकिन एक अच्छा आर्टिस्ट भी जान लगा दे अपने आर्ट में, उन लोग को क्या मिलता है? क्या मिलता है उन लोग को?
Saiyaara made 22 crore on day 1, 26.25 crore on day 2, and day 3 Sunday it saw a spike and it made 35.75 crore, which makes the weekend total as 84 crore net India.
It's rewriting the record books at the box office. I mean, in the first 3 days, for a film led by newcomers, a new lead pair has collected 84 crores in India, which is unimaginable, unprecedented, and I think it's a great achievement for the Hindi film industry.
In just 3 days, Saiyaara has already overtaken the lifetime earning of Student of the Year and is within touching distance of Dhadak, two films that also introduced new faces to Bollywood.
Saiyaara has been one of the biggest blockbusters of recent time with the fresh faces, because it has certain elements of curiosity about the lead pair which was under wrapped, and that curiosity to see the lead pair with some amazing music are the two major factors of making this film successful. And then the release was also splendid. The production value is good, and most of all the director Mohit Suri, he understands the pulse of audience. He know how to create great love stories with broken characters, and that is what he did with Saiyaara.
Experts say it's the freshness of the lead pair, Ahan Pandey and Aneet Padda, and the unusual decision to keep them largely away from the promotion circuit. The mystery worked, and so did the music, the emotional pull, and Mohit Suri's signature romantic storytelling.
पर 8 साल बाद एक विलन रिटर्न्स.
Not only did it surpass Suri's previous opening records, एक villain at 16 crore,
सिर्फ उन लड़कियों को टारगेट करता है जिनके वन साइडेड लवर्स हो. दिल टूटे आशिकों का मसीहा बनना चाहता है.
and Aashiki 2 at 6.1 crore.
तुमसे और इस कामयाबी से दूर. सबका एक सपना होता है लाइफ में. तुम्हारा सपना क्या है?
Saiyaara catapulted itself into 2025's elite league of top weekend openers. Opening weekend collection of top 5 films of 2025 have been Chhaava with 121.43 crore, Houseful 5 91.83 crore, Sikandar 86.44 crore, and now it's Saiyaara with 84 crore. As of now, it trails behind only 3 big ticket releases this year. So massive was the demand of Saiyaara that the release dates of a film like Son of Sardar 2, starring Ajay Devgan, was pushed back. No one saw this coming, not even other filmmakers. Saiyaara is rewriting rules on the screen. A breakout hit with long legs at the box office? All signs say yes. This is Abhiradhar reporting from Mumbai for NDTV.